At the Gables Hotel, recent bookings for weddings have been down. So this week, manager Gillian had a moment of inspiration and came up with a plan to turn things around.
Ooh, I think I've got it.
Gillian has decided to put on a wedding open day to showcase the hotel to potential brides and grooms looking for a venue.
So what we're going to do is decorate a couple of rooms up so we can actually show off what we do really well.
She's tasked head chef Gillian with creating an inspiring menu and a show-stopping centrepiece.
I hate making cakes.
And she's also commissioned the local blacksmith to create a mechanical anvil.
You're married.
Unique to the Gables.
It's just amazing. It's just that overwhelming emotion of everything coming together.
After a week of full-on preparation, the final touches have been made. Now it's time for the Gables to show the world what it can offer. First, the guests will watch a mock wedding ceremony.
Hi guys, how are you doing? So nice to see you. Thank you so much for coming, thank you.
Are you all right?
I'm very well indeed. Come on, welcome to the Gables. Thank you so much, thank you.
Gillian's roped in local wedding minister Mark Smith to officiate the dummy show.
You're going to like this, mate. It's all you. I've never done a mock wedding with mannequins before, but always up for a challenge and have a go with it. I'm sure it's going to be fine.
With all Gillian's carefully planned preparations out of the way, it's time to begin proceedings.
And here is Mark. Mark is one of our local ministers who will be conducting the ceremony. So if you'd like to just come forward.
OK, everyone, welcome to the garden room here at the Gretna. Where are we? That was a good start, wasn't it?
Slap ya.
Therefore, on this your wedding day, we pray with you that, strengthened and guided by God, you may fulfill his purpose for the whole of your earthly life together.
Next, in front of her captive audience, Gillian reveals her specially commissioned wedding anvil.
So this is quite a momentous moment for me. Shall we give it a go?
We formally, officially announce this anvil open.
You.
What have I done?
Open it up. No, open it fully. No, open the pack. Open the.
Although things don't go entirely to plan,
Then it's engaged.
all's well that ends well. At the Gables wedding day event, so far things haven't gone quite to plan. Hotel manager Gillian is hoping that the mock reception will turn things around.
If I could you please to take your seats now, and we'd like to give you some food.
Head chef Gillian has been in the kitchen preparing his special menu, inspired by the five senses.
So I'm just trying to basically highlight each one of the senses through a dish. Oh, hang on, sorry.
He knows what he's doing.
Hi, people. How are we doing? Right, this is your first course here. We've tried to create a wee menu to appeal to each of the senses. The first one here is the sense of flavour.
I love fish.
That was amazing. I didn't like it.
No, it was...
I didn't like the texture.
This is one that's designed to appeal to the sense of sound. So if you care to listen to your sounds coming out of your shell, let me know if it makes any difference to flavour at fish, because I've never ate fish while I've been listening to sounds at sea before. So I don't know if it works or not. Apparently so, don't I?
You do.
That's really good.
I'm from good fish.
That's it stuff.
It was different to what they were expecting, I suppose, which is quite what we're aiming for with that.
OK, folks, so now you've come to the dietary extravaganza as well as the fluid extravaganza. Now a feast for the eyes. We've got Tallulah Blue, so welcome Tallulah Blue as our entertainment.
Even the hard-pressed kitchen staff managed to find a spare minute.
I think it's totally mesmerising.
It's something to talk about. I mean, that is a real talking point. No other wedding would have something like that.
No.
With the food and entertainment going down well, it seems that finally everything is under control. Hotel manager Gillian's wedding open day is coming to a close. All that's left is the grand finale.
Finally, I did actually give Chef Glyn a challenge to come up with a cake in the shape of the anvil. So bless him, over these past few days and nights, I think, he's been developing the anvils.
I present my anvil. It's crap. I'll give it a go. I failed epically. But at least I tried, eh? All right.
How long did it take?
About 3 days. Hey, let's get it smashed up then.
Can we eat it?
I'm not smashing it up first.
Smash it.
As Glyn's pink anvil-shaped wedding cake is hammered into submission, Gillian is hoping that her efforts haven't been in vain.
It was really different. We've never seen anything like that at weddings before.
Trying different things that are a bit non-traditional.
Not the norm.
Not the norm. Has been the nice part to take away from this, hasn't it? Yeah. It's really nice.
And the cake's really good too.
People are saying that they're going to come back and see us, and hopefully we've got some business out of it as well. So, as far as I'm concerned, it's a job well done. Well
No
done.
problem, no
well
problem.
Done. Let's go
Right, let's
home.
Absolutely.